Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order an Emma mattress online. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Emma Mattress. Depending on your location, you'll see results like Emma Sleep UK or Emma Sleep US. For this tutorial, I'll use Emma Sleep UK, emmasleep.co.uk. Once you're on the website, navigate to the mattresses section. Browse through the options like the Emma Original or Emma Hybrid Comfort. Choose your favorite mattress and click the Shop Now button. Select your preferred mattress size and quantity. Click Add to Cart and review your order. Click on the View Cart button to go to the checkout page. If you have a coupon code, enter it here. You can also check out any additional services, like mattress removal if needed. Once everything looks good, click Checkout. Provide your shipping address and payment information to complete the purchase. Emma offers free and fast delivery, a 365-night trial, and a 10-year warranty, so you can shop with confidence. And that's it! Your Emma mattress will be on its way to your doorstep. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.